Hi, and welcome to the Timetable software training video on creating user accounts and allocating their user rights. To begin with, you must be logged in as an administrator. Once logged in, go to Admin area, scroll down to Set up User Roles. In this section, you'll notice the two default roles for the Timetable program, Admin and View Only. At no time, do not delete any of these roles, or you'll no longer be able to access the Timetable program from the login screen. For anyone who needs to have full access rights to the Timetable program and all its functions, needs to create a timetable or create a timetable database, or needs to make adjustments to timetables, you must allocate them as an admin role or administrator rights. For people who only need to view a timetable, you allocate them as a view role or view only rights. Anyone with a view or view only rights can only access these three timetable areas here: class, facility, and trainer. All other functions of the Timetable program cannot be accessed through view only. Now, to create a user account, click on Admin area and Set up Users. The first note: if any time any of you users forget their username or password or have trouble logging in, simply go in, delete their account, and reset up their account from scratch. Now, you have three default accounts when you first subscribe to the Timetable program: ICT, Staff, and Student. If you're a staff member or a student, you can log into the Timetable program by using these two IDs. You type in staff in the login username, and in no password, just click on login, and the same applies to student. Now, when you first subscribe to the Timetable program, I will email you a password for the ICT account. It is advisable that you change your ICT administrator to a new account. To do that, you must first click Add. Type in your new administrator. I'll use it, in this case here, I'll use the ID developer. Please do not use IDs such as webmaster, admin, or administrator, as these are commonly used usernames by hackers used to hack into any program online. Now, it is always advisable that when you create a user ID, you also allocate the username, so it makes it easier for management to identify who's been developing the timetable. Make sure you allocate them as administrator, and then type in your password. Now, the password must be uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers to make it more secure. Click on OK. Now, before you delete the default administrator account, you must first test your new admin account. So log out, log in using the new ID, and the account is now successful. Go back to Set up Users, highlight the default admin account, and click on Remove. That concludes our demonstration of how to set up users and allocate user rights. If at any time you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your time.